If somebody tell me, said, at 10 o'clock a.m. in the night, I will have a kid that no one got in bed. Eh? If somebody tell me somebody have a disability pitney and you want to go in bed, this pitney not sleep till I go in bed late. I'm awake. You see, I might get up 3 o'clock in the morning. If somebody was telling me I will have a kid like this, I would be like, I would be afraid to have babies. This is my first son me I talk about, bro. I want to go to my bed and then do this every night. But I just choose this night that we pick up a camera and talk about it. Him, no one stay in the room. I'm a chat fucker right now. At 10 p.m. in the night. At 10 p.m. in the night. If somebody was telling me that would be happening to me, I would be like, no, you're lying. This is a nightly routine when I have to go through all night. You understand me? When I tell people about this, they don't understand and they just see me laughing and doing this all the time. Go through this all the night, every night. Yeah? And grandmother spoil him. Independent grandmother. Anybody will spoil him, call and name out at night time. If you just mess with him in the head. And that thing go. You see, anybody will spoil him? Yeah. It's 10 in the night. And I have to go through this as a young lady, a 35-year-old lady, every night. Not one night, no missing.